afraid it'll blow out the other side.
This door's about to like take off.
Is there a tornado?
This building's shaking right now.
Are we in a tornado or
The
something?
building is shaking.
You feel like, that's not good.
Oh my
What the heck
god,
is
the
that?
building is shaking.
I don't know. Here's the tree. Look, the building is shaking. Casey, come in here with us.
Hey, look, that trash can's laying in the parking lot.
You feel it? Just stay in here.
Excuse me, there's a tornado going down the boardwalk.
Stay here.
Funnel cloud.
Okay, this is probably topping my list right now. List topped. List is over.
This door's about to suck off the building.
And then the roof's just gonna blow off. Uh-oh. This could be like a tornado coming down the boardwalk. I think a water spout just came on shore. The whole floor was like shaking. Oh, this is not good. The worst of it's just starting to move in. Number 2 on my list is achieved. This is like tied with Stormage right now. It's over.
No, it's not. That was like the first explosion.
I'm gonna have to report to that into the weather service actually, I think. There was at least 60 right there.
The trash can's like flying.
Alright.
Surprised my like chair didn't fly off.
Can we like estimate the wind right there? Like 65 maybe? No, we'll have to make a new estimate probably soon.
Is that right?
Here we go again.
Recoupling.
It's picking up.
The whole building was like off its foundation for a second there.
I know. Oh, and we all looked at one another in here. It's like,
I really thought that we were about to just get blown up into the sky.
I don't know what the hell it was, but it was scary.
It could happen again. Maybe tomorrow. Oh wait, right now.
In like 5 minutes.
Now we're in Shafted. Checking velocity. It's all making sense.